Happy morning, all of you. I am Professor Anand Kumar Das. Today I am going to share with you all the total number of seats in all 20 IIMs. I have already uploaded my video related to CAT IIM. It's a complete one video of 15 to 20 minutes, but it is in Hindi. If you want to watch, you can watch that video also for the complete information from stage 1 to stage 3. But now within a day I will be giving you all these three videos, totally different stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, and this will be complete different video for you all, so that you are supposed to know first of all when you are appearing for CAT exam, which is on 28th November, after 4 days only. So in advance I am giving you wishes, so that you are supposed to prepare in advance. Now 4 days is there, so revise all those things whatever you have already taken into consideration. But before that, you are supposed to know how many seats are there in all IIMs. Total seats approx 6,000 in all 20 IIMs. Okay, I have written here. And as you know very well, 2 lakhs candidates are appearing every year in all IIMs, for all IIMs actually. And almost 1200 participating institutes are there along with 20 IIMs, and that is nothing, it's hardly 3% of total candidates, number of candidates appear in all IIMs, for especially for CAT exam. Okay, CAT IIMs. So now one by one I will explain you all. I have divided, actually IIMs, CAT IIM has been divided into three categories. First generation IIM, which is also known as old IIMs. Under this there are 6 IIMs. Okay, then second generation IIMs, that is known as new IIMs. Under this there are 7 IIMs. Third generation IIMs, that is known as baby IIMs. Under these 7 IIMs. If you want to read all this information, you are supposed to pause the video, read first of all. After that, listen to me, because I will explain you all one by one what exactly is the meaning of all these things, because all these seats vary from year to year. And always remember one thing, IIM is a difficult exam, tough exam, not vast exam like UPSC IS exam. This is the big difference between UPSC IS exam and CAT IIM exam. Okay, UPSC IS exam is vast, VAST, due to syllabus, which is very big. UPSC IS exam syllabus is very big in nature, which requires intensive and extensive studies for 2 years minimum preparation. But CAT exam you can prepare within 3 months also, 6 months also, depending upon your expertise. And syllabus is not very vast, because it's very simple. Three things are coming: maths, English, reasoning. Okay, so syllabus is very limited, but timing is most important, because there are 2 hours and you're supposed to solve 228 questions. It means for per question only 32 seconds maximum approx you will get. So you are supposed to calculate, are you supposed to prepare for those 32 seconds. It means you are supposed to read all questions within 32 seconds. Then you are supposed to get the meaning of that question, and you're supposed to solve those questions. That is why this is called tough exam of the world. Okay, and one thing which is very clear for all students, I will tell you very frankly, anybody can clear any exam of the world. Only one thing is required: your intention should be very clear. Yes, I want to crack that particular exam, whether it's a CAT exam, JAT exam, MAT exam, and MAT exam, UPSC IS, Public Service Commission, whatever exam of the entire world, GRE, GMAT, TOEFL, ALITS, whatever. So no need to worry. You must have at least 50% marks in graduation, but for UPSC IS that is also not required. Okay, watch that video if you are preparing for IS UPSC. There are already 4 videos there on that. So let's start with this first generation IIM. Under this, first is IIM Kolkata. Okay, IIM Kolkata, approx 450 to 460 seats every year, which vary from year to year. I have already mentioned here. Okay, IIM Ahmedabad 370 to 390. IIM Bangalore 550 to 570. IIM Lucknow 400 to 420. IIM Kozhikode, that is in Kerala, that is 480 to 500 seats. Okay, Indore 500 to 600 seats. Like this, new IIMs. IIM Shillong is new IIMs. This is considered a new under new IIMs. 170 to 180 seats. IIM Rohtak in Haryana 350 to 366. IIM Ranchi 250 to 300. IIM Raipur, that is in Chhattisgarh. IIM Tiruchirappalli, that is 200 to 210 seats. Then Kashipur that is in Uttarakhand. Kasipur is in Uttarakhand, that is 200 210, and Udaipur, that is in Rajasthan, 150 to 166. Again, I will repeat, CAT exam, through CAT exam, only for 20 IIMs, only 6,000 seats are available. That is, out of 2 lakh candidates whosoever are appearing for CAT IIM exam, hardly 3% are getting into IIMs. So this is the toughness part of CAT IIM exam of CAT IIM, Indian Institute of Management. Okay. Then baby IIM. This is totally baby IIM is recently launched. Okay. Nagpur IIM, that is 230 to 240. IIM Amritsar 230 to 240. Then other IIM Bodh Gaya, which is in Bihar, religious place. Okay. 110 to 120. Sirmaur 160 to 170. Then Visakhapatnam, as you know, all in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, 110 to 120. Sambalpur, Odisha, 110 to 120. And IIM Jammu, as we know very well, 110 to 120. Along with this, if you will calculate, there are 1200 participating institute also. And as you know very well, only top 20 IIM salary is very good. In this country, very good package, but their fees structure are very high also at the same time. Along with IIMs, XLRI comes next top, second. Okay, all IIMs category under one. Then XLRI, but it's not like that. XLRI after IIM Ahmedabad means like this old IIMs. XLRI comes second top. Always remember, after the ISB, Hyderabad. Okay, then comes your SP Gen Management Institute, then FMS Delhi, then JBIMS. Like this, there are, I will give you all in the next video. Okay, top 20 institutes or top 50 institutes of India, where if you will take admission and if you will complete your MBA, your package, your career will be like anything, to be very frank. So these are the very simple total IIM seat. That is 6,000 out of 2 lakhs candidate appearing for IIM. Only 3% IIM is taking every year. It means it's very hard, very difficult, but not only exam. The getting entry into IIM also, it's a tough part. But as I told, nothing is impossible in this world. Impossible itself says I am possible. And Napoleon Bonaparte already said very well, okay, impossible is the word in the dictionary of fools. So your intention should be clear. If your intention is clear, revise, be prepared, appear for exam, don't discourage yourself by any negative words. If once means first attempt you are not able to clear, try for second attempt. Don't worry about that. Okay, but definitely you will crack if your intention is correct. That is very important. So this is all about your IIM. So thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you want further videos on that. I have already uploaded more than 130 videos on my YouTube channel. Watch all those videos. Interview questions are there, group discussion basics and questions are there. I have already started series on group discussion, interview series, group discussion series, and personality development soft skill series. Watch all those videos. Enjoy. Thank you so much. Best wishes for all of you and happy baking.